thank you so much for stopping by. Now today's video is going to be a very short and quick review video about the newly launched liquid lipsticks from NYKAA. It's from their NYKAA own range of liquid lipsticks, and these are the two shades which I picked up. This is the Bombay and this is MISHTI. So these are the NYKAA Matte to Last liquid lipsticks which recently they have launched, and I'm gonna share a very quick review, my personal opinion about these lip shades, and I'm also gonna share with you the lip swatches as well as the hand swatches of these two liquid lippers. So first let me share what the product claims. They say that these liquid lipsticks are formulated in Italy. They're super matte and it's a matte all day wear formula, and they're enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants. So these lipsticks are going to give intense moisturization to your lips. And then these are kiss proof, feather proof and transfer proof wear. So actually I'm wearing this lip shade. This is the shade Bombay, which is there on my lips right now. I'm wearing it from last 1.5 hours or 2 hours or so, and they are not at all drying on my lips. They feel really light and comfortable on the lips. They're not at all super dry, and really they are kiss proof. As you can see, they do not transfer. They're really kiss proof. So as I've already mentioned that I've picked up two shades, and this particular shade Bombay is inspired from my city, that is Mumbai, and this shade MISHTI is inspired from my hometown, that is West Bengal, Kolkata. So MISHTI is inspired from Kolkata and Bombay is inspired from Mumbai. Now let's first talk about the packaging. The most important thing that I found in these lip shades are their packaging. Now you can see that the city from where this particular shade is inspired, they have put on some pictures of that some famous monuments from that particular city. So you can see this is the Victoria Memorial and this is the Howrah Bridge, and these are the famous monuments from Kolkata, and this is Mumbai, the shade Bombay. And the packaging I really like. They're nothing huge, they're small packets like this, and this is how the outer cover looks like, and it's quite color coded because you can see the shade from here as well as from here. Same goes to this also, and once you open, the inner packaging looks like this. Now the inside packaging also is color coded, and this is how the liquid lipstick looks like up close. It's transparent and you can see the shade from all the sides, which is quite convenient, and it's quite small and travel friendly. You can just drop it in your bag and carry it with you. This is how the applicator looks like. It is a little bit tilted, as you can see, and this is quite sturdy and it gives a nice precise application. So let me just share what the product claims. So they say that these lipsticks are ultra lightweight and non-drying texture, enriched with vitamin E. So these gonna give that intense moisturization to your lips, and it gives a boost of antioxidants to keep your lips supple and soft. And they promise that these matte liquid lipsticks is everything that you have ever wished for, and these are superior matte all day wear formula enriched with vitamin E, and these are kiss proof, feather proof and transfer proof wear, and they last up to 8 to 10 hours. And yeah, I'm wearing this lip shade. This is the shade Bombay, which is there on my lips right now. This is how it looks like on my lips, and I'm wearing these lipsticks from last 2 to 3 hours or so, I think, and they feel really comfortable on the lips. They're super lightweight and it has got a nice moussey kind of texture. This is not at all that super drying kind of liquid lipsticks, so these are quite comfortable on the lips. And yeah, as you can see, these are transfer proof, kiss proof, so it's not going to budge from your lips. And let me just swatch it on my hand and show how it looks like on my hand. So this is how it looks like on my hand, and it is quite pigmented. Like one swipe, it's quite opaque, as you can see, and this is how it looks like on my lips. So this is how the shade MISHTI looks like on my lips, and I'll quickly give you a hand swatch of this particular shade. So this is how MISHTI looks like. Now once it's completely dry, it looks so pretty. As you can see, it dried completely matte, but still it feels so lightweight on my lips. The only one thing that I actually overlooked, which I found that this is not that opaque like the previous shade. I had to swipe twice to get this pigment. So but I can ignore that because the shade itself is so pretty, and this is how it looks like. So overall, I really like the texture and the formula of these liquid lipsticks. Despite drying completely matte on the lips, still they feel so lightweight and super comfortable to wear. Now I just want to re-emphasize one thing, that this is genuinely completely my personal opinion, so don't think I'm going to get benefited in any manner by giving out the positive opinion about these lip colors. From the price point of view also, I really like this, quite affordable, and you're just getting this 4.5 ml of liquid lipsticks at the price range of 550 from NYKAA. And this is all cruelty free, paraben free, non-transfer and kiss proof lipsticks. Formula is very lightweight, very comfortable to wear on the lips. So that was all about this NYKAA Matte to Last liquid lipsticks, which is newly launched by NYKAA. You can go to their website and collect your shades, and you need not trust me, you need not completely trust my personal opinion. It's totally up to you, up to your personal preference. So you can just go to the store and swatch it yourself, or you can find out from the review of other beauty bloggers as well, and then pick up your shades. So that was all about today's video. I'll see you soon in my next. Till then, all of you, do take care, stay loved, stay blessed. Bye bye.